Christmas is definitely in the air as the provincial capital celebrates the season with a delightful lighting ceremony graced by Governor Bambi Emano and provincial capital employees. On Monday, the lighting ceremony graced with the presence of Governor Bambi Emano along with Vice Governor GYVBE, provincial board members, Attorney Nadia Emano Elipe and Eve Emano, Modha, and all capital employees in the provincial capital park officially set in with colors at full blast. While at the same time, this serves as the kick-off activity of the Christmas season of the provincial capital featuring the Christmas lights and decor contest. This event intertwines the spirit of Christmas, which is filled with hope and joy in the presence of people across the province and nearby cities. Moreover, Governor Bambi Emano led a ceremonial turnover of financial assistance worth 500,000 pesos to the Provincial Capital Vendors Association, with each member receiving 10,000 pesos. This amount is additional assistance to the vendors operating for more than 15 years in the provincial capital premises who were heavily affected by the COVID-19 pandemic to reopen their business. The vendors were very much delighted for the support that Governor Bambi Emano has been providing them to continue their means of living. Furthermore, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the strong leadership of Governor Bambi Emano, welcomed actor and senatorial candidates Robin Padilla and Secretary Salvador Panelo. The esteemed guests toured around the provincial capital offices and socialized with the employees. On the same day, they conducted a courtesy call with Governor Bambi Emano together with provincial board members Honorable Wayne Militante, Dexter Yasay, Boboy Sabal, Alan Mandukita, Kerwin Jessel Divilla, Saisay Emano, and Nancy Madhos. Danny Vertudazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
Tuesday highlights the end of the culminating activity and salary distribution for the Special Program for Employment of Students or SPES 2021, while Wednesday highlights the visit of the new Regional Director of PNP Region 10 to Governor Bambi Emano towards strengthening the call to maintain the peace and order in Misamis Oriental. On Tuesday, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the Provincial Employment Service Office or PESO, in coordination with the Department of Labor and Employment Region 10, had the culmination activity and salary distribution for 2021 on Special Program for Employment of Students or SPES for the beneficiaries from the municipalities of Talisayan, Medina, Balingwan, and Hingoog City at Talisayan Covered Court Municipality of Talisayan. The Special Program for Employment of Students or SPES is an employment bridging program that aims to provide temporary employment to disadvantaged youth to augment their family's income and help ensure that beneficiaries can pursue their education. Present in the event were board members Honorable Wayne Militante, Honorable Eric Ku, and Sangguniang Bayan member of Talisayan Honorable Rico Taray. Personnel of the Provincial Capital Band were also there to entertain everyone through their song and dance performances. While on Wednesday, Police Brigadier General Benjamin C. Acorda Jr., PNP Region 10 new Regional Director, paid Governor Bambi a visit towards strengthening the call to maintain peace and order in Misamis Oriental. The said meeting highlighted the presentation of a plaque by Police Brigadier General Acorda in salutation to Governor Bambi Emano's effective management and support to the police force that secures the smooth implementation of peace and order among the people in the province. In return, the provincial government gave a token welcoming Police Brigadier General Acorda here in the province, accompanied by Provincial Police Director Colonel Raniel M. Balones. The good partnership between the province and the police force has already been proven, which resulted in rapid progress and the achievement of peace and order, which is one of the pillars underpinning the administration of Governor Bambi Emano. Raymark Simania, PIO.
With the mission of assisting former rebels while maintaining peace and order in the province, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental ensures all Misamisdans that no man will be left behind and the needs of the disadvantaged will be all addressed. On Thursday, December 9, 2021, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office headed by Mr. Junleymar Abella, in coordination with the Department of Social Welfare and Development Office Field Office 10, spearheaded the turnover of payout for the Sustainable Livelihood Program or SLP to 30 eligible former rebels in the province at 58 IB Headquarters, Barangay Migbanday, Municipality of Claveria. A total of 600,000 pesos worth of livelihood assistance were given to the beneficiaries, where each eligible former rebel received an amount of 20,000 pesos. Present at the said event were the DSWD-10 personnel, Mr. Arthur Barrero, Ms. Daphne Ranario, and Ms. Dalia Di Maocor, and PSWD ICLIP focal person, Mr. Felmar Kumawit. The Enhanced Comprehensive Local Integration Program, or ICLIP, is a government initiative aimed at assisting CPP, NPA, NDF, and Militia ng Bayan rebels in regaining their loyalty to the Philippine government. They can be reintegrated back into the community, be with their families, and begin their new regular lives through this program. Jane Salimbao, PIO.
Governor Bambi's administration ensures resiliency through a safe, responsible, and efficient operation towards achieving sustainable public service amidst the challenge confronted in these trying times.
Another week ended progressively with the following accomplishments from here on. To begin with, the Provincial Legal Office headed by Attorney Cirilo Nel Ipacana conducted a jail decongestion program in the Misamis Oriental Provincial Jail. Present at the event were Provincial Jail Warden Police Colonel Robert Roy V. Bahian, Provincial Prosecutors Officers Attorney Chariza Alvarez and Attorney Rocco Mandawe, Honorable Judge Isagani Iravidas of MTC Alupihid, and Attorney Virgilio A. Galarita of IBP Miss Or Chapter. The purpose of this event is to help persons deprived of liberty who have lighter cases, not less than 6 years of penalty, to undergo probation through the Public Attorney's Office. One of the PDLs expressed his word of thanks to Governor Bambi Emano as he said,
"Daghang salamat sa suporta na gikan pa sa una sa taguluhan pa antod karon. Daghan kay salamat, Gov."
This is the third year of the said activity, which seeks to decongest the provincial jail, which also serves as Governor Bambi Emano's Christmas gift to qualified PDLs. In another story, the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, headed by Mr. Fernando Vincent QD Jr., together with the Provincial Planning and Development Office, through its coordinator Mr. Stanley B. Oriarte, represented the province of Misamis Oriental in the Move Up 4 program implementation evaluation at Cusina Higala, Cagayan de Oro City. The activity was graced by Arlene Aquino, Program Officer of ECHO, representing the donors of the program. In particular, the Move Up 4 programs implemented for the province were provisions of alternative temporary shelters, portable hand-washing stations, food pack provisions, livelihood assistances, and other social protection programs. Further, it has facilitated in the contingency plan formulation workshop on emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases, COVID-19, wherein the province was one among the first 4 local government units in the northern Mindanao region which became recipients of the activity. PDRRMO and PPDO expressed their heartfelt appreciation to the Move Up 4 program, which has helped the administration of Governor Bambi Emano in the provision of various assistance to help uplift the constituents of the province. Their expression of deep and sincere gratitude has been extended to ECHO and its consortium of CSOs for their wholehearted support to the administration of Governor Bambi Emano, whose continuous care to the people of Miss Or was truly recognized by them. The consortium, on the other hand, also expressed that a continuous partnership with the provincial government of Misamis Oriental will remain and be further strengthened under the new Move Up 5 program, which will start its implementation next year. Meaningfully on the same day, the provincial government office under the chairmanship of Governor Bambi Emano held the 128th RDC-10 Full Council meeting. Primarily, the meeting went on with a discussion on sets of direction of all economic and social development efforts in the region, specifically in the province of Misamis Oriental, which also serves as an avenue to local efforts integrated with regional and national development activities. Also, the Provincial Cooperative Office hosted the PCDCMO year-end evaluation and direction setting for 2022 in its purpose to the creation, organization, operation, and functions of the different CDCs at the provincial levels, in highlighting the partnership and resource sharing between the cooperative and government sectors that serve as mechanism for collaboration, consultation, and coordination in the implementation of various cooperative programs, particularly in the province. Thus, this is another proof of Governor Bambi Emano's care for every Misamisn's life and happiness as his top priority, not to spoon, but to nurture everyone. Queen Exclamador, PIO.
It's a never-ending battle for progress, and yet Governor Bambi Emano's strength to lead the province is relishing upon the vigorous collaborative effort from all capital departments and offices. Throughout the week from December 6 to 10 of this year, the Provincial Governor's Extension Office with its overseer Attorney Nadia Emano continually provided free health and social services, wherein PGEO's health office catered a total of 337 clients with an average of 82 clients per day. Dr. Patricia Lim carefully checked the client's health and provided free medicines, while 9 boys had their free circumcision conducted still by the health office, and PGEO's emergency vehicle transported 18 clients to and fro their destinations. At the same time, the 3-in-1 services served 3 clients and were all provided with free embalming, free coffin, and free transportation. Overall, Misamisans flocked in Payag not just for the free health and social services, but also for their financial needs, of which the Finance Department recorded 121 clients who were given financial assistance, which includes solicitations, hospital, laboratory, and diagnostic bill assistances. Also, for the former week, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office under Mr. John Limar Abella joined with the National Elderly Filipino Celebration through the conveyance of series of distribution to senior citizens, so with the awarding of model Filipino families across different municipalities. By December 7, senior citizens from the municipalities of Initaw and Hitagom were very thankful of the given hygiene kits that contained alcohol and face masks, 5 sacks of rice plus 30 boxes of milk adult plus, and 10,000 pesos worth of cash assistance.
Ako kayo ang among pasalamat ngadto kang Governor Bambi Emano aning dako nga tabang assistance sa mga senior citizens week karong bulana o senior citizens month nga niya karon madawat sa matag tuig nga kami kapasalamat nga kanunay kami natagaan sa sama nani nga mga ayuda.
While at the same time, a plaque of appreciation has been given to MSWDO Initaw. The awarding of the search for Miss or Model Filipino Family 2021 successfully took place also with the hailed winner, Miss Nevi Jean and Mr. Frederick Kilog's family, who received plaque of recognition with 8,000 pesos cash, and the consolation prize goes to Miss Azenet and Mr. Edelito Ganohay's family, who received certificate of recognition and 3,000 pesos cash with a grocery pack worth 1,000 pesos. By December 10th, another batch of senior citizens from the municipalities of Naawan, Libertad, Laguindingan, and Alubihid received the mentioned ample of assistances. On the same way, the awarding of Model Filipino Family set in to each municipality.
Salamat kayo sa gihimong programa sa atong sa probinsya. Labi na ni Governor Bambi Emano. Daghang salamat sa mga kauban sa probinsya. Ako kayo katabang ang himong nga programa sa amo. So, lipay kayo mi, ma'am.
This initiative aims to give aid to senior citizens of the province for their daily needs, in which the beneficiaries were very grateful to Governor Bambi Emano for the privilege given to them. In joining the mentioned events were provincial board members of 2nd District, LGU officials, MOSCA presidents and members, MDRRMOs, MSWDOs, PSWDO Women and Family Focal Person Miss Maria Lorena Babion, and Senior Citizen Program Focal Person Miss Emlyn Kalingen, among others. Additionally, PSWDO tirelessly turned over sacks of rice and food packs within the week for a total of 33 sacks of rice and 50 food packs. Beneficiaries from the municipalities of Hitagom, Alubihid, Villanueva, and Taguluan, who are all experiencing drastic crisis during this pandemic, expressed their insurmountable joy to the provincial government, especially to Governor Bambi Emano. Through the assistance, it would give them hope to live on as well. Furthermore, the Provincial Veterinary Office, headed by Dr. Benjamin Resma, successfully delivered feeds and conducted market facilitation of duck eggs by December 6, 2021 that have been produced by the ASF-affected farmers amply provided under the Duck Livelihood Assistance Program. And last December 7, the monitoring of layer farms and another market facilitation of duck eggs in Taguluan and Claveria happened at ease, coupled with the facilitation of the delivery of ducklings to all farmer beneficiaries at the mentioned municipalities. Relative to the aforementioned happenings, ProVet filled Monday and Tuesday with gladness among the beneficiaries in the municipality of Medina after the rabies vaccination team held a mass rabies vaccination at the area. Notably, 576 dogs and cats were vaccinated. This cause is to address the issue on rabies that's long been a challenge in the province.
and is now being mitigated to avoid further problems affecting the people. Following it, spay and neuter among dogs and cats has been prioritized and happened in Barangay Poblacion, Lagindingan. In result, 53 animals were successfully operated. The said activity aims to hamper the escalated number of animals. That's also the most possible reason for an increase in number of strayed cats and dogs, which is cited as the cause of rabies cases in the province. Still from last week's scope of events, personnel from the Provincial Management Information System Office under the leadership of Engineer June Balo replaced the network cable from Miss Oriental plant to their business center building crossing Luna Street upon knowing that the old network cable was cut due to opposing heavy equipment as per PEO guard happened Monday, December 6, 2021. The purpose of the said activity is to restore the internet connection at the Miss Oriental building and Provincial Information Office. The following day, Provincial Management Information System Office conducted replacing of the cut network cable connecting the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office to the Provincial Management Information System Office, passing through the network cabinet beside the Provincial Accountant's Office. In effect, it restored the internet connectivity at the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. On the same day, MIS installed an additional CCTV camera at the ground floor lobby area fronting the main entrance of the Provincial Capitol building. This is vital to ensure public safety around the area, especially during nighttime, wherein the Provincial Capitol is flooded with visitors who want to witness the Capitol ground's spectacular Christmas lights and alluring decors. Regina Moratanel, my guy, PIO.